Before discussing, I will tell whether betting should be legalized in cricket. How many will support? Right. So why it should be legalized?
Better at least by legalizing that they can pay the taxes to the government. Instead of that, like people are betting itself and that money whatever that they are not paying to the government. So with legalizing then it will be a profit or a revenue.
Yes, government will get revenue.
Since cases have came out, this is happening, the same argument which he put forth, it will bring to the fore. And secondly, since casinos are also there in parts of it, so there is nothing wrong. Rather, it will be better transparent, better things, better managed rather.
And another one thing is we cannot completely remove that betting from the because they consider you cannot go to that.
Many things we cannot completely remove from our society. So should we legalize? There are 2-3 topics which are inconsistent among themselves. The topics that we have, you'll find in one topic we are trying to legalize, right? In another topic we are trying to ban, right? And in another third topic you are trying to, right? There is a ban, but people are demanding not to ban, right? And on all those 3 topics, after end we'll tell that we do not have rational thinking. Right? Because inconsistent in thinking. It is like show me the people and I will show you the law. And show me the situation, I will show you the law. Right? Subject matter. So 2-3 topics we have, like liquor, so we are banning it. But people, widespread practice, right? And that Jallikattu, it is banned. People are demanding not to ban it. And if you take all the 3 topics from ethical perspective, so there is no critical thinking. Right? There is no critical thinking. You can go and think on. This is called critical thinking. Anyway, yes, people will say that it should be legalized. The benefits can be very prominent benefits. It's a 3 lakh crore business, right? So at least few crore to government ko aayega. So this is how I can say. So government can get revenue from 13,000 to 19,000. Kuch facts mentioned. This is how I can say. Some facts are like that. Government will have 12,000 to 19,000 crore as a revenue. This is first. Second, already betting is there. So there is a betting culture. So when there is a betting culture, so the question is that you cannot ban it. You cannot control it. It's very difficult to control and ban. So far we are not. So if we are not able to control ban, so let's legalize. Right. The third aspect is that black money. Right. As of now, I think 3 lakh crore will be black money. Right. Or 99.9%. Right. So it's black money. So betting is a way to convert your black money to white money. This is how, or it's involvement of black money. Right. So once it is legalized, the black money becomes white money. Right. Because then the financial transactions will be having legal recognition, etc. And the transaction happen through the formal channels, the financial system of the country. Then another aspect is that it will also reduce corruption, malpractices, corruption, right, as of now. Because since betting is not legalized, so administration, etc., cricket bodies, other members, they indulge in this. Right. Once it is legalized, so that corruption will also get legal status. Right. Means it will somehow also affect that aspect. Already certain aspects of betting gambling legalized, like horse racing. Right. Horse racing is legalized, and there is a Supreme Court judgment also which says that there is application of skill, and therefore it should be legalized. Right. So in betting also, in cricket there is application of skill, so it should be legalized. Right. Same logic if you take. There is also application of skill. You have lots of calculation, right? So since there is application of skill, so Supreme Court judgment itself taking, that's why we say that decision should be on rational grounds, otherwise it has repercussions in the future, right? So this will be replicated. This is how, so Supreme Court judgment somehow also encourages, justify that yes, it should be legalized, and this panel has also recommended, right? So this can be considered at the pro side, why it should be legalized. Let's take the con side. The con side is that social norms, you may study a lot in your ethics paper. In fact, ethics is begin with social norm, right? So our Indian society's social norm is that betting and gambling is considered immoral act. Is it? Can we say? In our society, betting, gambling, so they are considered as something immoral act, not a moral conduct. Even let's say lotteries, so many people will not buy lotteries. Why? They want to earn by hard work, right? They do not want to earn easy money, no money at all. So it has, let's say, lack of moral acceptance in our society. The second aspect is that how will that 19,000 crore will come? Do you have a financial infrastructure for that? Means financial infrastructure means that your financial system should be in such a fashion that the financial transaction happen through that channel, right? But in our country, you know how many financial transactions happen through formal government channel, means how much those are transparent, legitimate channels, right? So we do not have, right? Like say in last class we gave example, even today we are giving, or it may not be in the last class, so let's take this. If you buy a flat, so how much you pay to how much you disclose the cost of that flat? Right, half, right? This is how, and half is what? Right, the government knows that the actual cost of the flat is 50 lakh, but we have bought in 1 crore, right? Especially in Rajan Nagar, I think 1 crore. So the question is that our financial system is not able to trace it, track it. So how come you say कि betting, if it is legalized, the government is going to get 12,000 crore? The revenue that you are talking, I don't think that. And then your tax officials, you know how much revenue is realized in our country, right? So we do not have financial infrastructure like the Western society. In Western society, every coin transacted, they have record, I guess, right? But in our country, only half of the transactions are in record, half are not in record, right? So government will have to lay down this financial infrastructure, right? Then license. In other countries, licenses are given for this. So licenses are given for those people or institutions involved in betting and etc. And you know you had license and permit Raj, right? This is also. So how will deal with this challenge? Government does not want to increase legal work, paperwork, etc. But the developments are somehow forcing government to remain in those activities. And cricket is also called as gentleman game, is it? I'm not a cricketer, but the question is that many people may be gentleman game, right? So when we will legalize betting, so will it remain gentleman game, right? So this is another aspect. Next aspect is, if you have some countries' experiences, especially some states, some states already they had lottery, etc. So there were suicides. The betting, gambling, and etc. results into also suicides, and families come under hardship, right? because we do not have, let's say, our social system, socio-economic system is not like that. It's extreme poverty, vulnerable section on the one hand, extreme rich class on the other hand, and middle class also, third hand. So, but in their country, if there is suicide, I will not say there is no suicide, but there may be suicide, but it does not affect the family at least. Right? Family will not come under the hardship. Right? But in our country, when once there is a suicide, the only person breadwinner of that family. So you can see that how it affects the life. Right. So these are some aspects given, and let's say that they have been able to. You should imagine that even if they have all those liberal society, but still they maintain discipline. Their child rearing practices are highly disciplined. Right. But in our country, you know that what will happen. So children will become also part of betting, gambling network, etc. So how will deal with the repercussion? Right. These repercussions once it is legalized. Now what you will say? Should it be legalized?